Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about a question that I asked, I think last week. Yeah, on Instagram. What makes sex good? What makes good sex good sex? Because as far as good dick or good vagina goes, that depends on the person who's receiving it, right? Because everybody's preference is different. Some people like it big, some like it smaller, some like it tight, some like it a little bit looser, some like it super wet, some like it, when it's just everybody's preference is different. The majority might rule over some things like, a bigger dick or a wetter vagina, but all in all, it's a personal preference, right? So the question was asked, what makes good sex good sex? And the general consensus was pretty much knowing each other, right? Let me see if I can pull up some of the answers. Good pussy and good dick are both objectives to the recipient. So the question of the day is, what makes sex good? What makes good sex good sex? So one of the responses, connection. Can't do a one night stand. We have to have some sort of vibe. Because I'm a pleaser, it has to matter. So there we go. Connection. I probably should have screenshot these before I okay. The next response, or another response, was when your sex drive matches each other, nothing rushed, just long pleasurable sessions. Again, which is connection. I'm gonna read one more. This one says aggression. My partner being demanding, me being submissive. No judgment, doing any and everything. Low-key hiding because it just always seems to be the best sex ever. And oh, talk to me. But say the right shit because that could get you out of here too. Which again comes down to connection. What makes good sex good sex? Connection. The vibe, the energy, the momentum. Like you have to actually like each other for the sex to be phenomenal. You have to know each other, which is why as I got older, as I'm getting older, I realize that not everyone deserves access to my body and the things that I do, right? Or can do, because I know what I bring to the table sexually. I know the experience that I can give, right? So with that being said, I want to pass that message on to you, whoever is watching right now, who's probably thinking, all right, what can I do to make my man appreciate my sex or make it better for my man, or whatever the case is. If you yourself are not enjoying what it is that you're doing, if you and your partner don't have a connection, if you two don't have a vibe, if you don't like each other, then the sex is not going to be good. The sex is not going to get better. If you two cannot talk to each other, if you two cannot flirt with each other, regardless of being a committed relationship or not, if you guys can't compliment each other, it's always going to be boring. It's always going to be lame. It's always going to be whack. It's always going to feel like a task. It's never going to be exciting and fulfilling, right? So if you want better sex, if you want to have great sex, if you want to have amazing sex, have sex with people that like you and that you like. Not just off of like a one glimpse, oh, you look nice type of vibe, but your energies actually match, right? You get what I'm saying? You two have to be compatible in more ways than one for the sex to be amazing. And I'm not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ. You could have the biggest dick and the wettest pussy. Like it, if the connection isn't there, then the sex is not, it's not going to be up to par. And that's just that. If you have anything to add, because I don't have anything else to say. If you have anything else to add, please leave it in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Again, great sex is all about connection. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and Kissy face. Bye.